Shall we have a quick look at those? They should be easy enough to find. Looking off screen there, let me drag that in. This is material I'm working with. It's Expedition. Now this is your iMovie trailer planner. And you can see I've filled in that, and I've filled in that, and I've filled in that, and I've filled in that. Take your time in this phase. It's really annoying if you decide to change your selection here. You have to start all over again. So get it right this first time. Do it in one take, as they say. For our exercise from now on, I've selected the template called Expedition. Have you selected yours yet? If not, pause this class video and take your time to select the right theme. Let me close that. I'll supply these, and I've got links to them on the class information and the class list, so you can pick them up at any time. Copy them to your computer. They're simple PDF files. You don't need anything special for them. Let me close that down again. We're back on there. Select the right theme. Epic drama, family, fairy tale, expedition, and so on. Take your time to select the right theme. Play them all. Go through them. Okay, have you selected a trailer template you think will fit your story? Play it again without looking at it. Just listen to the music. Does it fit your story? Watch the background graphics. Make sure that it fits your book's theme or genre. You don't want a pirate map behind a passionate romance, do you? Can you visualize the kind of images you will use in your trailer? Can you actually find enough images to support your trailer? For example, the Expedition trailer, that one, has a total of 28 images or video clips that you need to find. Supernatural has 25, Action has 14, Blockbuster 19, Spy 28, Narrative 31, and so on. So collecting your images and video clips can and will be time consuming. You want your trailer to look good, right? Don't use shots of your kids and family, and don't use shots of your neighbour's kids. You could find yourself in all sorts of trouble. Actually, if you use images of other people in real places, you should go to the trouble of getting their permission in writing. A model release is always good. Let's have a look at some of the images in Expedition, which is the one we're going to use. Observe the text. Observe the video clips. Let me pause that there. Keep in mind that many of the required image slots in the template can have extracts from the same video clip in them. So you might have one long video clip of half an hour, and you can take 1 second clips out of them, and I'll show you that in a moment. For example, say a sequence has 3 images in a row, each of 1.8 seconds in duration. So you can take clips for each part from different sections of the one video clip. The software will highlight exactly the time you want and only copy that amount from the clip to the frame. You'll see that in action shortly. Let me show you something. See this here? There's your second markers. 1.1 second. 1.1 second, 1.1 second, 1 second, 0.9 seconds, 1.4 seconds, 1.4, 0.9. You can see they're all video clip extracts. There are no images showing up there yet. They're all marked as times. And more importantly, that's how long as well. Even if you put a still image in there, it will display for 1.2 seconds. This is fairly important for the continuity of your movie. Okay, we'll drop that down there, out of the way for the time being, and come back to here. So, shall we move on now? In order to help you through this step by step, I'm going to put together a trailer for my book, Awakening, The Dragons of Sarasara, a fantasy adventure set in a mythical world with swordplay dragons and warrior maidens. If you would like to plan your trailer on paper first, or shall we say in a PDF template document first, then pause your class movie again here and have a look at the supplied PDF templates and select the one that is your trailer. Did you know you can open the iMovie trailer templates I provided in PDF format and enter your text directly on the PDF form? It's easy. Here's what you do. Open your PDF file in Adobe Reader just as I showed you. It doesn't require an Adobe Acrobat subscription, just plain old Adobe Reader that comes free on the internet. The original author of these files, not me by the way, has already made them with editable fields so you can fill them in. Then click in the field you want to add text to and type in your text. Remember to save them when you're finished. That way you can use the PDF files over and over again. You don't need to buy Adobe Acrobat for this, remember. You don't want to edit PDF, you just want to add some text fields. You can't add images so far as I know, so just write in the image place markers if you wish, with detail of the shot you will use. Make that maybe the time marker from the video clip or a description of the action. But that's okay, you'll catch up with this a little later. As I mentioned, the text that is supplied with the sample trailer is not the text you will use. You will use your own. So let's have a look at the next lesson now, filling in the movie template. I'll cancel this and show you a preview of the Dragons of Sarasara. See, there's the storyboard, and this is almost the fields of the PDF template. You can see those there. They're what you fill in, and they will determine what the video looks like. And there's images, they're single images, although it says 0.9 seconds duration, it is a single image. I've got very few actual video clips in this particular movie. To run it, just put that there and click on that. There we go, Xanadu Films playing. And you can see the text I've put in there, along with some various images, and the clip is moving up. You can see that there as the clip is playing along there. Okay, enough already? Let's get to it.